just bought it yesterday. Isn't it beautiful?
Cripple, 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 cripple!
Damn it!
Why didn't you tell us you were back, buddy? Oh, it's a lamp.
Oh, they're delicious. I thought maybe later today we could all...
Oh my God, Mom's choking!
Out of the way, I'm an EMT. Her airway's jammed. Come on now, just like that. I need some gravitational help. Oh no, her clothes are constricting, as are mine.
Oh my God! Oh, thank you, Jerome. You saved my life.
But listen, there is something I gotta fess up to. While I was living with y'all, I had myself lots of nasty-ass sex with Meg.
I don't care about that.